Hello, this is Josh Landis, and I'm your Technology Director for the Northwestern Consolidated School District of Shelby County. Since the parent-teacher conferences for Triton Central are virtual this year, I wanted to show you how the Meetingbird portals work to request a conference with your teachers. You should have received a link from your student's teacher that takes you to a scheduling page. That link looks just like this one. This page has all the available times by date that the teacher has available. First, select the date and time slot that the teacher has available that fits your schedule. We will use this 8:40 to 8:55 time slot. Once you select your time slot, you will enter your name. After that, you will enter your email address. After you enter your email address, the teachers will put together some questions for information that they would like to know before the meeting. This teacher would like to know your student's name. After you're done answering all the questions, click Confirm Meeting. After you click Confirm Meeting, you will see an All Set page. That means that your appointment has been set up. You will receive two emails. You will receive a confirmation email that looks like this, telling you the date and time that your appointment has been confirmed for. The second you will receive is a calendar invite email. Most platforms, such as Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, etc., will all add this calendar invite directly to your calendar. In the body of the email, you will see a link to a Zoom meeting. That is how you will join the Zoom meeting, which will be a video meeting with your teacher. The teacher will be waiting with her video on during that time slot. If you cannot join by video, down in the body of the email, you will also see a section called Or Telephone, which will provide you a telephone number and a meeting ID. That will allow you to just call in instead of doing a video call. In times where social distancing and the need to protect the health of you, our faculty, staff, and students is very important, we truly appreciate your participation in this year's virtual parent-teacher conference. Take care.